สวัสดีค่ะคุณเจมส์
ครับผมสวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีไหมคะ
สวัสดีครับผมพูดไทยได้เหรอครับ
พูดไทยนิดหน่อยค่ะ
โอ้พูดไทยได้นิดหน่อย
ฉันมีครู
อ๋อสวัสดีครับตอนนี้ผมไลฟ์ในกลุ่มเกตอยู่
กำลังไลฟ์
ได้ครับได้จะถ่ายรูปหรอครับหรือว่ายังไงครับอ๋อพูดคุยใช่ไหมครับอ๋อ
พูดนิดหน่อยค่ะ
พูดนิดหน่อยอ๋อ
sorry
ขอบคุณครับได้ครับผมใช่คนที่ทำเพจไหมครับใช่ผมตามอยู่ครับใช่ครับเดี๋ยวคุยกันครับเดี๋ยวคุยกันครับผมครับผม I like to be careful area. No touch. No. Okay, no touch. I like to steam private group in front of. Sorry. Be careful. No touch. I like to steam. Facebook private group. I like stream private group Facebook. Oh, thank you, beautiful.
I'll post it on Twitter.
Twitter?
Yeah. You don't have Twitter?
I don't have.
I can tag you on Insta.
Instagram. Wait. Popular.
I will also live with these people. Your hosting tonight for this beautiful event with the amazing Ela. So, I want to know you, are you ready to make some noise? Okay, vamos a hacer castellano en inglés castellano, so everybody can understand, okay? I need stigmatization, so sorry. We are from Mexico, Hawaii, Ecuador, Peru, Venezuela, UK, France. Because I want them to know how to Spain support England. Ok, ¿cómo estamos? Las VIP que se hacen la foto antes, ¿cómo estáis? Ya nos conocemos. Ya somos familia, we're almost family. So, if Eva and Charlotte, they do something amazing that deserves all of your energy, se hace algo increíble que merece toda nuestra energía, se llama así como... If they start looking each other, se deben mirar una a la otra, como hemos visto en TikTok, y la cosa se pone algo emocional, si tenemos a la vida emocional, y tú dices something like, oh, no, I think you can do better. 1, 2, 3. And then we explain them in Spanish. Guapa. Reina. I think I got the audience ready. So, girls, guys, and everything in between, I hope you're ready to have in between our time. I think I'm more than sorry. So, thank you for joining me this beautiful evening, and I really hope you enjoy it. And I really hope you put all the passion that I have seen during the evening with those beautiful human beings. So, are you ready? Thank you to this beautiful England event. Come on, let's go! they are so free to see you, and I must confess, I'm a fangirl now. I mean, I've been watching the videos. I have to tell you because of something. Because of you, my TikTok for you page. Could not be happier, and I will have to ask you about your favorite later, okay? But first of all, who wants to hear Enoch singing? You ready? Yes. Then this stage is all of yours. que este se quede, ¿no? They want you to stay in Barcelona. So, ¿podéis tomar asiento? Todos estos verán una boda. Antes hemos tenido... We all have a marriage here. So, in order to make it easier for everybody, let me introduce you the official translation of the month. Big up for Cher! No te escucho nada.
Translator today. Hoy voy a traducir para nuestras chicas.
You speak Catalan, papas catalan. So, how are you? Did you like the show? Did you like the song? So, I think it's time to relax, to chat a little bit. So please, can we bring into the stage some chairs? I want to see you hablando, something more comfortable to visit them. Let's see. Let's relax. Thank you. He's going to be training. Okay, so. Silent. Do we need to cover? Do you want to go today? No. I'm going to show everything you're showing. So, I want to ask you, welcome to Barcelona. How are you? How do you feel?
Really hot right now.
Yeah?
I mean, maybe it's because I'm sitting here, that's why it's hot in here.
Yeah. She knows she's hot. She knows she's hot. What about the rain? You arrived to Barcelona, second sun, second good weather, and the sky falling us. So can you feel around when you arrived to Barcelona? How was your ride to Barcelona? Translation. They just want to speak to hear you speaking. And I want to talk because this beautiful audience received you in the airport. Like, I mean, you're a superstar, but did you expect this love from Barcelona?
No. Because on that day we arrived early in the morning. Yeah, I thought you guys were like gonna sleep and we will meet today. But when I see all the fans, like, not all, and everyone was like, oh, thank you so much for supporting and always waiting for us to be here. Because some of you might not be able to like fly to Thailand, so now you're here, guys.
Y que tenga muchos fans dando el apoyo, así que lo tenemos que hacer mal apoyar.
เขาบอกว่าวันที่วันแรกที่มาถึงนะครับแล้วแบบไปเจอแฟนๆที่สนามบินคาดหวังนะครับว่าจะได้เจอแฟนๆที่ต้อนรับอบอุ่นครับ
You're so cute.
So she's happy to see you guys at the airport and it's a warm welcome. Entonces ella sí que se quedó súper contenta que algunas de vosotros fuisteis allá al aeropuerto a recibirla y es como un bienvenido así muy cálido para ella.
So I want to ask you, are you excited about this beautiful tour because they are going to be just in Barcelona. They're flying right to Paris and then London, which is incredible. Are you excited about the tour?
Very excited because I'm very looking forward to all the fans around the world, not just in Europe, but actually like all around the world. Because I just feel like I feel love when I see them, and I feel like another bunch of people in my family. You know, I didn't expect my relation to have like fans. Wow. I think I love them too.
You're so lucky. Actually, you made it so easy. It is so easy loving you. Are you excited about the trip? Are you excited about the tour?
Yeah, because number one, my fans.
Okay, thank you. Number two, Charlotte. Did you have time to visit Barcelona, explore Barcelona?
Yes, we did yesterday. We went to.
I'm here, and sometimes I don't know where they're going.
So we went to like 2 places, and we get to walk around where we stay in the hotel. We kind of love it because the weather is not that hot like Thailand and not that freezing. So yeah, it's very good for us to take a walk around.
I've seen you dancing under the rain. I saw you on Instagram or TikTok, I don't remember, dancing under the rain.
Oh yeah, I like rain, so I want to just have fun with the rain. But at that moment, I don't know where she is, so I don't dare to go alone.
No, but Barcelona is so warm, and I think you can see it. There's a lot of fun going on. So I love you. You have such a journey together, and we've seen videos, we've seen the highlights. What one moment that still feels surreal to you in all this journey that you have together?
ทำที่มาด้วยกันเยอะๆอะไรครับมีโมเมนต์ไหนที่คิดว่าแบบมันน่าเกิดขึ้นจริงอะไรเนี่ยจริงไม่คิดว่าเป็นจริงอะไรครับมีโมเมนต์ไหนครับที่ไปมาใช่ครับในชุดนี้ก็น่าจะเป็นการทานอาหารเซด้วยกันค่ะใช่เรารู้สึกว่าน่าจะเป็นของกินที่เราแบบตื่นเต้นด้วยแล้วก็ดีใจที่ได้ลองทานSo the exciting moment is when they go together to eat food here in Barcelona. Entonces, el momento sería cuando pasa el momento así como inolvidable, sería cuando ellas dos fueron a la comida de aquí.
If there is one thing that you can take home from Barcelona or from Spain, from Barcelona, what would it be? This is going to be a huge luggage. It will give me a lot of love from the airport.
สมมติถ้าเอาอะไรจากที่นี่กลับบ้านได้อยากจะเลือกอะไรกลับครับเขาบอกว่าเอาไปเยอะไม่ทัน
That's incredible. So I have to tell you, after seeing many videos of you, I became a huge fan. When I told my friend that I was going to be the host of this event, he was crazy. He started to scream louder than Barca goal. Okay, it was incredible. Le digo, el amigo que iba a estar en el hostel de este evento increíble y se volvió loco. porque yo tenía poco conocimiento del mundo Miss Grand, pero ahora soy una fan absoluta del mundo Miss Grand, o sea, I mean, I'm sorry, Gertie, but I think we are so comfortable here, three of us chatting, but I think we could have another person on the stage. I want you to give it up for Miss Grand Stage!
Infinity. Nice to meet you. I'm so happy to be here with all of you. Thai fans, international fans around the world, thank you to be here. For me, it's an honor to be with all of you, and welcome to Spain.
¿Cómo ha sido este viaje desde que eres Miss Grand España?
Bueno, te digo que ha sido una experiencia súper enriquecedora, lo estoy viviendo muy intensamente. Quedan solamente 13 días para partir a Tailandia. International 2025, so I'm very happy. And the journey has been very, very hard, but I'm so happy.
You know each other, so if you want something from Barcelona, you can call Aitana. Please bring us paella, bring us sangria, whatever you need, you can call Aitana. Y así tú vas, let's have a coffee together. You can chat in Thailand.
Yeah.
So, now, between queens, I want to ask a favor. Now that we have four queens on the stage. Could you teach me how to walk like a Miss Grand? So can you know how you do it like that? Could you teach me? See? Okay, I need something. Wait, please give me a second. Could you call me, please? Teach me how to do it. I want to walk like a super queen, please. I want to see you walking like Do you want to stay with the show? Sí, tenemos un poco de nosotros. Pues por favor, despedimos con un fortísimo aplauso. So, I think we have more music right now. You can see the lights are getting warmer. Are you ready to sing a little bit more?
Now?
Control. See you all.
Watching
to relax a little bit because we are going to set up our stuff. So go and have a rest 2 minutes. You can relax 2 minutes. ¿Se os va a quedar un poquito más todavía o no? ¿Sí, no? Yo no sé cómo se dice esta energía para tener un conejo pequeño. No, look at little rabbits. They have like so much energy on the heart. You know, the heart of the little rabbit is so small, so they need to... Bueno, so, do you know Hollywood Nights? So we have the Hollywood Nights Barcelona Show. Okay, and the most... Then it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 is here. So there was a little detail I think I was forgetting. Something insignificant. Because this can be your chance to come up to the stage. Se me estaba olvidando algo. De que había un pequeño detalle que yo no estaba teniendo en cuenta. Y es que fue esta oportunidad de subir a la escena cubana con Infinite Shadow. Porque aquí están vuestros nombres. No vuestros nombres, vuestros movimientos. Do you have them? Take them out. Yes. ¿Lo tenéis ya? Chica. Wow. our contestants tonight, Emma and Shonda. Okay, so I think we have Emma here and Charlotte here, right? So assume your positions. Okay. So, Mami, que son 10, que son 5 metros. You are so intense. So, before we go, we have different games tonight. Okay, so in this game we used to play with buzzers. We're not going to do it in a regular way. Okay, so first we have to run. I have everything on my mouth, but so we have the Super Mozzarella Chicken for Emma. Why everything sounds cuter close to you? Press it again. And for showering it up, we have this beautiful girl! So I forgot. ¿Qué pasa? So we see, we can charge them 100 euros more so she can be playing the chicken for 2 hours. So we have the cards, I forgot the name, sorry. Yes, because I'm not going to give you the money back. Of course not. I'm always grand queen, so I'm not going to give you that. So, okay, so first of all, they are going to choose the teams, okay? So they're going to be cheer or... Give me a second. Okay. So we have 3 contestants per team, okay? So... 3 numbers. Number 88, 88. This is number 243. 243.